Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Amazon today. Here's why. I've got a couple of boxes here. Actually, I can take out this one. That was for something else. But I got a couple of boxes here over Amazon's recent trading ranges. Recent, if you want to go back to early 2021. You can see where this stock was trading with 3,200, we'll say, wherever it was, as support. You know, each time it came down, bounced, and then didn't. Right here. So it's like, what's that? The 10th time's the charm or something. So then the stock fell out of here and into a lower trading range. Bounce and bounce, and it came up to test this level and failed ultimately, and then it failed again. Well, now it doesn't seem to be failing, though you could say, well, it didn't fail this time either until it did. I think that Friday's big gamma squeeze move certainly pushed Amazon higher, but this is what I would suggest that you do. I don't have a position in Amazon now. Well, I mean, I may have one in a long-term account, but I don't know about it. But as far as the trade, I don't have a position in this account, but in my account. But this is what I would watch for. I would watch for the stock to stay above this box right here. I'd watch to stay above it and actually look for it to move back into the other box. So if this stays up here above this prior support, current resistance level for another day or two, I think you got a lot more upside into here. Now, on a percentage basis, it's not a massive move, again, percentage-wise, but if you're trading call options on this, it's a career maker, man. So anyway, that's all I got for you. Members, we did a 90-minute training session today, and I want you to check it out. You can play it in fast speed, but we covered a lot of things with respect to gamma squeezes and a lot of other technical aspects of trading. So I would suggest you take the time to look at it. We didn't do any intraday trading, so it's all evergreen stuff that could help you out. All right, see you guys next time.